Hi everybody, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to make a professional channel banner for your YouTube channel using your mobile device. First of all, open your YouTube channel and click on the edit icon here. Then click anywhere on this black area. It will ask you to choose photos. You can choose any random photo, it doesn't matter. Like I choose this one. We don't need it anyway, we just need to get the template from YouTube for the banner so that we can screenshot it just like that. And after you done taking screenshot, open your Pixel Lab. An interface like this is gonna pop up in front of you. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and select image size. Now click on the preset custom and select YouTube channel banner. And also delete this text because we do not need it. Now we need color for our background, so click on the color and I would like to choose the gradient. Here you can see there are multiple presets available. You can choose any one of them or you can make your own gradient. Here I am fast forwarding the video because I do not want to waste your time. And after you are satisfied with your color gradient, it's time to add our template. Click on the plus icon at the top and click on from gallery and select the screenshot of the template you took earlier and crop it precisely according to the dimensions of the template. But don't worry, we are going to delete this template afterwards. And after you have imported the template to your workspace, click on relative size and increase its width to 100%. This area here is called the safe area, which means this is gonna be visible in every device, whether it be a TV, a desktop or a mobile device. And this is exactly where you want to put the name and logo of your channel. And we are going to use these given dimensions as the guidelines to our own custom YouTube banner. So click on the opacity and decrease its opacity anywhere between 30 to 50%. And then click on the plus icon because we would need another image as the background of our safe area. And also do not forget to lock the template layer so that it will not move by mistake. Further, we need to send this yellow image behind the template layer, and for that we would click on the to back option here, and what it does, it sends this yellow image behind the template layer so that we can see the dimensions and guidelines of the safe area clearly, and we can adjust our image according to the dimensions of the safe area. And note that you need to do this step very precisely, because if you don't do it very carefully and precisely, this is not gonna look good at all on your YouTube channel. Once you are done adjusting the safe area, you need to lock the layer immediately so that it won't move by mistake. And now it's time to add the logo of your channel. As I do not have a logo of my channel yet, so I'm going to use this image as the logo for the YouTube banner. Now adjust the logo as you like. You can put it anywhere, left, right, center, anywhere you like. And once you are done adjusting your logo, lock the layer so that it won't move by mistake. After the logo, it's time to add the name of the channel. So for that, click on this icon here, add text, and double click on the new text and type in your name. My name is Calligraphy by Void, so I'll write Calligraphy first and adjust it like this. We also need to change the font of the text. As you can see, there are so many fonts available here. You can choose any one you like. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. you can do the necessary adjustments and editing in the text all by yourself, because the video has already gone too long and it's very easy to edit the text. You don't need me to show you the text editing, so I'm fast forwarding this video. Once the name and logo of your channel is added, I would like to add something else. This is the PNG format image of calligraphy pen, and it is strongly related to my content. It makes the YouTube banner look more attractive, and you can also add something similar and related to your content on your YouTube banner. You can get these PNG logos from Google for free. Our channel banner here is almost done, and you can also add something for the TV and desktop users, like I have added here. And you can also add something at the bottom side like your social media icons, which is completely unnecessary because these are not going to be visible on desktop or mobile devices anyway. And now, final and very important step, you have to delete the template layer because we are not going to need it anymore. And here, my friends, is our YouTube channel banner complete, so you can save it in your device and upload it on the YouTube. Now let's see how to upload this YouTube banner to our channel. Open your YouTube channel and click anywhere on this black area and choose the same image that you created. And now you can just zoom it out and you can see it perfectly fits with the template. And voila, here you can see how beautiful it looks. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments. And also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. So yeah, this was all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video.